Hello everyone, my name is Shahrul and I'm your product trainer from Skyworth Malaysia. Now, there is a new feature from Skyworth TV that is called Find My Remote. The latest remote from Skyworth TV will have a buzzer behind the remote. And I will show you how to pair them onto your TV. And now, I will show you how to pair the remote onto the TV the most simple way. At first, point the remote onto the TV, but not forget to press the microphone logo on your remote. Then, make sure the remote is quite close to the TV. Press the microphone button on the remote, and the icon itself will appear onto the screen. There you have it. Now, you can navigate the remote without ever point the remote to the TV. And once the connection is confirmed, the indicator will appear in green color. When it is not connected, it will glow red. Now, to enable the feature how to find your remote is at the power button at the middle or the bottom screen. There is one small button that you need to press once. Along the menu, by default, the icon itself will start at Find My Remote. Then, long press OK to find your remote. To stop it, press once. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching. Bye!